My bicycle. Hello, my dear children. Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to learn a beautiful poem called My Bicycle. Do you have a bicycle? What color is your bicycle? Very good. Now, look at the picture. We can see a child riding a bicycle. The child's friends are also playing happily. Now, let us read and understand the poem line by line. I have a red bicycle. The child says, I have a bicycle. The bicycle is red in color. Children, what is the color of the bicycle? Yes, it is red. I pedal and I ride. Pedals are the parts that we push with our feet. The child pushes the pedals and rides the bicycle. Show me how you pedal a bicycle. Very good. Trin, trin, trin goes the bell. The bicycle has a bell. When the child rings it, the bell makes a trin, trin, trin sound. Can you make the sound of a bicycle bell? Trin, trin, trin makes my friends move aside. The friends hear the bell and move to the side. They give way for the bicycle to pass. The seat is blue in color. The seat is the part where we sit. The seat of this bicycle is blue. What is the color of the seat? Yes, the seat is blue. The tires and pedals are black. The bicycle has two tires. The tires and pedals are black in color. Children, how many tires does a bicycle have? Excellent. A bicycle has two tires. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Sometimes the child rides the bicycle quickly. That means the bicycle goes fast. Sometimes the child rides it gently. That means the bicycle goes slowly. But my bicycle is always on track. The bicycle always moves along the correct path. The child rides carefully and does not leave the track. To keep my bicycle moving, the child wants the bicycle to move smoothly. All I need is some air. The tires need air. When there is enough air in the tires, the bicycle can move smoothly. What do bicycle tires need? Yes, they need air. I put on my little helmet. Before riding the bicycle, the child wears a helmet. A helmet protects our head and keeps us safe. Children, should we ride a bicycle without a helmet? No, we must always wear a helmet and go happily everywhere. After wearing the helmet, the child rides the bicycle happily and visits different places. Now, let us understand the whole poem. The child has a red bicycle with a blue seat. Its tires and pedals are black. The child rings the bell and rides the bicycle. Sometimes the child rides fast and sometimes slowly. The tires need air to move smoothly. The child always wears a helmet and rides happily. Now, let us learn some new words. Bicycle, a vehicle with two wheels. Pedal, the part we push with our feet. Bell, the part that makes a ringing sound. Tire, the rubber part around a wheel. Helmet, something we wear to protect our head. Fast, moving quickly. Slow, moving gently. Track, the correct path. Now, answer these questions. Question 1. What is the color of the bicycle? The bicycle is red. Question 2. What sound does the bell make? The bell makes a trin, trin, trin sound. Question 3. What is the color of the seat? The seat is blue. Question 4. What color are the tires and pedals? They are black. Question 5. What do the tires need? The tires need air. Question 6. What does the child wear while riding? The child wears a helmet. Very good, children. Remember, always wear a helmet, ride carefully, and follow the safety rules. I hope you enjoyed the poem My Bicycle. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye, children.